And good morning, everybody. Welcome back to NeelyFX. My name is Michael Neely, and this is the channel where I talk about foreign exchange trading and trading and the like. And so we're going to be talking about making money with trading. Therefore, I live in the United States, and we need our risk disclaimer screen. So, this channel is for educational and entertainment purposes only and does not constitute trading or financial advice. I'm a professional trader, not a broker, trading my own capital. And I'm also in a couple of challenges with AUDUSD Capital and with Forexify. Those are both demo accounts, however. I do not solicit funds, manage client accounts, nor do I hold CFTC or NFH registration. Forex trading is highly speculative with a high risk of losing some or all of your investment capital. Only trade with funds you can comfortably afford to lose. Now, the CFTC risk disclosure goes something like this. Forex trading carries a high degree of risk and may not be suitable for all investors. The high degree of leverage can work against you as well as for you. Before trading Forex, consider your investment objectives, experience, and risk appetite. You could sustain a loss of some or all of your investment capital. So let's go ahead and get into it. First thing I want to look at is look at this brilliant idea this person had over here. A possible downward bounce off of 199.25 for the GJ, the Great British Pound versus the Japanese Yen. Oh, and look, it's NeelyFX down here. He's the one that said that. He must be a really smart guy, right? And here's what we have. We have the bounce off of 200. Now, what I did was when it blew through 199.25 and went through my trend line, I thought there's no way it's going to turn around. It's going to keep going. It's going to go to 205. So that leads us to our losses that we had yesterday. So we had about a $500 loss yesterday. Well, I'm down about 600 on that account. And on this one about... Oh, so profitable. That one by $16. Yay. So I lost about 400, this 155. So we're in there yesterday. Well, that's per day. All history. Last week, 366. So my stop losses were set differently. My lot sizes were a little bit different on that, so I did lose some money on that one. If I had been paying attention to my own idea, I would have gone downward on that. Now, this is still kind of suspect of which direction it's going to go. It's starting to get a little bit of a bullish type idea coming in right here. So, I mean, bearish down. So it's looking like it could break through back down to about back down to this trend line, which would put it at 195 again. Well, in this case, put about 196 somewhere. So I actually like the idea of coming in around 198.57, but we're a long way from that right now. So the trades I have going on right now, let's go back in here, go back to my trading account, and I'll show you what I got going on. We have the Great British Pound again selling against the dollar because I was looking at this yesterday and I noticed the formation of a double top. It's happening right now. If we back out to the daily chart on this. Matter of fact, I should probably do that as an idea too. And go forward to that. Oh yeah, then these ideas give you the idea to, or give you the ability to go back in there and play it forward. I forgot about that part. Isn't that cool? So let's go back to our chart here. First, let's go back to the charts. Where am I? Here we go. We'll start here. Euro versus the dollar. Kind of bounced right off of 117.24 again. That's not necessarily a... but it's only down about 30 pips right now, so I don't know that that would be a trade. Here's a monster trade yesterday, too. For some reason today, I'm going to show this center. Where'd it go? There you go. Currency strength meter. The Japanese yen is the strongest currency in the world right now. That blows my mind. I have not seen that in a long time, and I think that's something that we might start seeing as they start. I don't know what's going on in Japan, but for some reason their currency is the strongest currency in the world right now. Which I'm not quite sure what the implications of that are, except this is going to come down. The dollar versus the yen will come down. Getting underneath that, looking like a big strong buy area right there. don't know that I would get into that right now. I mean, that may be a good. Not with. I'm still very leery of this right here. I would not get into that right now. It's just not, if there's a trade there for it to bounce off of that, it has not developed yet. As a matter of fact, more of a bearish trend is starting to develop. So I would probably get underneath. Yeah, it's got 100 pips before it gets there, and a strong low at 145.85. I don't know that I'd mess with that right now. That's probably going to range sideways for a while. In my opinion. Okay, let's back out on this a little bit. Go to the weekly charts. Oh, look at that. And we see our where is it? It's not on the weekly charts. Let's go to the double charts. I thought we had a double top forming, but I don't see it anywhere. Yeah, well, there it is. It's kind of a double top, weird double top. Extended head and shoulders. I don't know what it is, but at any rate, it's hitting a big resistance point right here at 136, and it doesn't look like it's going to go through it. On the daily chart, and again on the 4 hour, and so I'm underneath it down here at 135.40 is my entry. I think that gives it enough of a good running start. It's going right up that trend line, but I don't see it going much further. So I'm in at 134.60. I'm sorry, 40. I think that's where I am. Yeah. And stop loss at 136.10 on that trade. And again on this one too, right? 135.14. Here's my trade on that one. Yeah. Yeah. 136.17. Okay. So that's where we stand on those. Those are my trades, and I'm sticking to it. Let's go back into the GJ. Let's get it bouncing right off of that level right here again. Right at 198.62. So it's a good entry point again. And see it ranging for a little while. I just don't see a whole lot going on with that right now, except ranging back up to 200. That wouldn't be a 85 pip payday on that one. But I don't think that's. We got to get that trend would have to reverse, and that trend right now. I'd be waiting on GDP growth to come out tonight. So I'll take a look at that when I get back in the office tonight. I can get back and maybe see if I'm going to trade a little bit later. Oh well, what else is going on? Aussie. Not a whole lot going on with the Aussie either. And again, UCAD. Not a whole lot going on there. So with that, I'm going to wrap this up. I'm I'm bearish on the GU headed south at 135.40, and looking for about 133.90 on the profit. But well, that's what I got today. You guys have a great one. And again, if you like this channel, like this video, by all means like it and subscribe. And I'll keep making them. I'm going to make them anyway, because this is more of my trading journal. So you guys have a great one, and I will talk with you later. Bye.